Listen to me, you would have come here to see it before, huh?
No, they
Listen to me, you would have come here to see it before, huh?
no, we have some respectful talk. No, no, don't go around. Don't get, yeah,
Sempre, sempre,
that's it.
sempre.
Don't use the pedals.
Don't touch it.
Beautiful. Yeah, touch. Is it leather, right? This is beautiful, man. I'm learning to sail. Look at this joke of a sailing ship. Wow. You managed to get on the boat. Look at this. It's 9:30 in the night. That's the flagpole. Sprayback and Nor. That's the Viking ship right opposite.
With the ball. Very good.
I'm from England.
Oh, we live in England actually.
Oh, wait.
Beautiful. The Sailor's Bar, right? Sailor's Bar. Okay, look up. Come on, man.
big shark.
Wow, look at this.
Imagine that bang me in the head. Bang!
Look where we are. We're right here. Huh? Uh-huh. All right.
3 Giza. Daddy, this is a water bin. Daddy, this is a water bin.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo! White stuff.
It's all the
Party.
don't mess it up, man. This is for kids. They do it. See?
No, se vai estragar o negócio,
Yeah,
deixa
it's
aí.
like the thing from Mario Wonder that you needed to.
You get it?
You spin it.
You do this. This is...
Not enough water. Enough water.
Pegou a passinha.
Little sand.